Welcome to this part. So what we are doing now is what we call statistical graphs. That is whereby we are going to discuss about charts, pie chart, bar chart, histogram, and others. And if you look at the board, we have is pie chart. And a pie chart is a circular diagram. It's a what? Circular diagram in which each sector of the circle represents a given frequency expressed in degrees. Expressed in what? Degrees. The sum of the angles in the complete circle is equal to 360. Now we are talking about pie charts, and pie chart is a form of what? Circle. And you know circle is 360. Circle is what? Is 360. Now when we divide a particular circle to different sections, and each of these we call it sector. We call it what? Sector. The sum of these must give us the same. The total value must give us what? Must give us 360. The total value must give us what? 360. Must give us 360. Must give us 360. Is that clear? So that is about circle. That is about what? Circle. So let's take some example to express this. So this is a question on pie charts, and the question is saying the table below may represent the allocation of a country's budget. Represent this in form of a pie chart. Sector, amount in billion of naira. Health, 60. Education, 50. Housing, 30. Manufacturing, 20. Agriculture, 40. That is 200 billion naira. And we are asked to represent this in a pie chart. The first thing which we need to do here is that we need to determine angles each item makes at center. We need to determine each items, that this angle each item makes. So how to do that? So the first thing we need to do now, solution. So far we are asked to represent it using pie chart. Using pie chart. So here is the sector. Here is the sector. Let me take another marker. Here is the sector. So amount in billion. Here is the angle. Here is the angle. And the first one is health. The first one is health. Health is what? 60. Health is what? Health is 60. Health is 60. Now, health is 60. What is the total value of everything is 200. That means 60 to get the angle now over total. Okay, let me write this one. Education. Education is 50. Education is 50. Housing is 30. We have manufacturing. Our manufacturing is 20. Then we have last one to be agriculture. Agriculture is 40. So our agriculture is 40. So now let us calculate for their sector. We calculate for their sector. So 60, the total is 200. The total is what? Is 200. Then from here, what we now get 60 over 2, this 200 times 360 over 1. So this can cancel this can cancel this, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. So the next thing we now do now, that's 2 times 36. Now when you multiply 2 times 36, it will give us 108. 3 times 36 will give us 108. We have 108 degree. That is 36 times 3. 18 8. We have 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So next one is 50 over 200 times 360 over 1. So by doing that, so what we have for that will now be, this will cancel this will cancel this, 2 here, 1, 2 in 3, 1 with 1, 2 is 16, 4, 2 is 16, 2 is 16 is 8, 2 is 16, 8, 18 times 5 will give us 90, 18 in 5 will give us 90. So let's look at the third one, 30 over 200, 30 over 200 times 360 over 1. This cancel this cancel this, 2 here, 1, 2 in 36, 18. Then you now multiply 18 by 3. When you multiply by 18 by 3, it gives us 54. Give us 54 degree. Next one is 20 over 200 times 360 over 1. This cancel this cancel this cancel this. We have 36. Then the next one is 40. 40 over 200 times 360 times 360 over 1. This will cancel this, 2 here, 2 here, 2 times 7, that is 72 degree. 72 degree. By the time you add up all the degrees, it must give you 360. It must give you what? 360. Everything here will give us 360. Everything will give us 360. So the next thing we need to do now is to go and draw our pie charts. Is to draw our what? Our pie charts. You take your mass sets, take out compass and my protractor. You now begin to measure. You measure 105. I think 105 is the largest share. 105 is the largest share. So 105. So our 105 is health. Health. 105. 108. Sorry, 108. So followed by 90. 90. Our 90 should be this. Our 90. And 90 is education. Education. So followed by 54. Followed by 54. And 54 is housing. 54 degree. And followed by what? 32. And 32 is manufacturing. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is 36. And the last one is 72. And 72 is agric. So that is how to draw pie charts. That's how to draw pie chart. Thank you. See you next class.